In this video, I'll show you another method to share a plant, other than using the Channel Partner feature. Please take note that this method can only be performed using an installer account. Step 1. After logging into your account, search for the plant name as shown in the video. Step 2. Under the Action column, select Share. A small window will pop up, just like in the video. From this window, click Add User, then fill in the email, account permission, and remarks fields. After that, tick the authorization box at the bottom, confirming that the owner has granted permission, and then click Confirm. And that's it, your plant has now been shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sun grow tips and solar troubleshooting videos.